Leo 2020 Horoscope. A look at the year ahead. Leo Horoscope 2020 predicts that this year is all about personal advancement, which should be great news to nearly every Leo. You are likely to have more energy to get work done and have some left over to party a little bit later. Your creative energy will be at a peak, but it is not likely to affect your sense of realism. This is a great year to work on personal goals and dreams. You can accomplish anything if you try hard enough, even during the hard times of the Mercury retrograde 2020. Leo people are born between July 23rd and August 22nd on nearly every given year. This fifth sign of the Western zodiac is full of ambitious people who will do whatever they need to get ahead in their own lives. Of course, once they get what they want, they can be very generous when it comes to sharing the spoils. There's hardly a narrow-minded Leo personality anywhere to be found. Most Leos are creative, fun-loving, and exciting people to be around. While they know it takes hard work to succeed, they also know how to have a good time. All of these traits help to shape a Leo's horoscope for 2020. Leo 2020 Love Predictions. 2020 is a year for change when it comes to relationships, romantic or not. There may be some problems in your romantic life, Leo, if you are not with the right person, or even if you are. You can do two things when this happens: try to work things out or dump them. You are likely to want to know more about your partner this year, which could make things more exciting or terrible, depending on what you find out about them. Will Leo get married in 2020? Will Leo get pregnant in 2020? Let's find out. You may relate to a different element from what your sun sign, zodiac sign element is. Take this in-depth 4 elements personality quiz to understand it. If you are looking for a new relationship, you are likely to be happier with hookups than commitments this year. Maybe a strings-free relationship is what you need this year. Do not date friends this year. It will only lead to trouble. When it comes to Leo relationships with your family or friends, you may need to make many compromises this year. At times your friends and family will feel down, so it will be up to you to be the life of the party. If you are a true Leo zodiac sign, then this shouldn't be a problem for you. Leo career prospects for 2020. Leo 2020 astrology predicts that this year you will be more focused than ever when you are at work. While you may have to deal with some annoying office politics, for the most part, your job should be easy for you. However, you are likely to get more work as well. Try to make friends with your co-workers and superiors. This can create stability in your job, and even help you to stand out. Make sure that you don't do the opposite and create conflict in the workplace. While this will also get you noticed, it won't be in a good way. Leo finance 2020 forecasts. Leo, this year you will feel more inclined to save your money than to spend it. Because of this, you are also likely to focus on your budget more and take better care of it than you had in past years. Take opportunities to make more money, like investing in 2020. Health horoscope for the Lion horoscope predictions for 2020 foretell that the Leo may feel more impulsive than usual this year. You will want to try new things. While this is great for your mind, it is also great for your body. You are likely to find enjoyment in trying new exercises or eating new foods. It is especially important to eat well this year to prevent dietary problems. A common problem with Leos is their lack of sleep, so try to work on this to avoid general tiredness and the health problems that can come with it. 2020 forecasts for Leo birthdays. 2020 comes with its twists and turns like any other year, but that doesn't mean that it will be difficult for you. For the most part, you are likely to have an easy and enjoyable year. Take the opportunities that will improve your life, and pass on the bad ones.